Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Koala AI token. Ticker symbol is Koko, K-O-K-O. Now this token is trending number 2 right now in the hot trading zone on DEX tools. Doing very well today. You can find this token listed on SolScan, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, DEX Screener, DEX Tools. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Koala AI token has a Telegram you can follow at Koala AI VIP. 4,795 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this token. Like new partnerships, new token listings, new announcements. Now I saw on their Telegram, there was an announcement that this token was listed on Mexc Global. So there's a couple different ways to get this token here. One way would be to, first of all, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search KOKO, and then simply just buy the token. So that is one way to get this token. Another way would be to get it off a decentralized exchange. So since this is a Solana token, you could get it off of Raydium or Jupiter. So you could use a Phantom wallet, you could use a Solflare wallet, Trust wallet. You would fund your wallet with Sol, and you could fund it from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol. You could go into the dApps and find Raydium or Jupiter. And then you would trade your Sol for the Koala AI token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, koalaai.vip. You probably will not have to set slippage. I don't believe that there is taxes or anything like that. We could check it out here. There is staking, so you could, on their webpage, you could stake the token. It says their vision is to revolutionize the crypto space by combining the fun and virality of meme coins with the power and potential of AI. We aim to prove to the world that crypto can be done in a healthy, transparent manner, and that anyone with conviction and willingness to work hard and the endurance to weather price actions can change their life through crypto, and to build a vibrant, supportive community where members can leverage AI for creative expression, earn rewards through participation, and enjoy the deflationary benefits of our tokenomics. We strive to demonstrate that crypto projects can maintain integrity and transparency, empowering individuals to achieve financial transformation. Koala AI is a groundbreaking project that merges the charm of meme coins with advanced artificial intelligence technology. Our mission is to create an engaging, valuable, and sustainable economy that rewards users through their participation and support. The core of this project is the native token Koko, which fuels the platform and brings unique opportunities to our community. Some of the key features: the unique AI image generation. Koala AI's platform allows users to generate high-quality, unique images using advanced AI algorithms. Now, this feature sets us apart from other meme coins by providing real utility and entertainment value to the users. Now, the Koko token is designed with deflationary mechanics. When users purchase credits with Koko for accessing platform features, these tokens are burned. This reduces the overall supply of Koko, potentially increasing the value of the remaining tokens over time. There's also staking rewards, like I mentioned earlier. Holders of the Koko token can stake their tokens to earn rewards. This encourages long-term holding and helps stabilize the token's value. Our community has already locked in over $5 million in total value locked TVL, showcasing strong support and belief in the project. Also, transparency and security. The development team behind Koko AI is fully doxed, ensuring transparency and trust. The liquidity pool is burned, and the contract is renounced, providing the highest level of security for our investors. Koala AI is supported by prominent figures and organizations in the crypto space, enhancing our credibility and visibility. We prioritize community engagement and continuous development to foster growth and long-term success. Now, Koala AI extends its utility directly to X.com to Twitter. Users can prompt on X.com, and our AI bot will respond with custom-generated images. This seamless integration makes it easier than ever to create and share unique content, increasing engagement and spreading awareness of Koala AI. Now, their total supply here started out with 10 trillion tokens, and now, according to their Soul Scan, they have 9,946,925,453,000 tokens because of the deflationary mechanism. Now, they have 17,809 holders so far, so they're doing very well. 6 decimal places on this token. Now, if you want to follow their Twitter, I'm going to put it in the corner of the screen here as usual, at Koala AI VIP. They have a link to their Telegram, a full link tree webpage there. You can see they just joined in March 2024, brand new token, 14,700 Twitter followers. You could also find their contract address in the pinned tweet there. And according to Dex Tools, which they're trending number 2 on, actually they're trending number 1 now, they have a $41.1 million market cap, doing very well. $655,000 in liquidity, a DEX score of 99 out of 99, and their quick intel security audit says no warnings on it, so that's great to see. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.